Hello and welcome to another one of D's ADD videos. Today we're going to be talking about how to find scalar equations of a plane. How do you get there? What do you need? Well, you need a vector normal to the plane. However you get it, you need that vector. And you also need a point on the plane. If you have these two things, you are good to go. All you need to do at that point would be to plug into the scalar equation of a plane here, and you plug in your normal vector here, A, B, and C, and you plug in your point that's on the plane here. Okay. If they ask for the linear equation of the plane, all you do in that point would be to distribute your coefficients through, combine like terms. In this case, it's just the numbers that'll be like terms, and then you'll end up with the linear equation shown here. Alright? So how can they ask these questions? Well, one way they can ask this question is by giving you two vectors that are on a plane. Well, what you need to remember is that if you do a cross product with two vectors, the resulting vector is perpendicular to both of the original two vectors. Okay? So what that tells you is that if you have V1 and V2 and they both lie in the plane, whoa, I'm not sure what just happened. Let's go back over here. There we are. V1 and V2 lie in plane. Well, then you do the cross product to get n, your ABC. Because both of those vectors lie in the plane, when you cross them, the definition of cross product tells you that V1 cross V2 is by definition a vector perpendicular to V1, and it's perpendicular to V2. So if V1 and V2 lie in the plane and W is perpendicular to both of them, it must be perpendicular to all the vectors in that plane. So that's how we define these rectangular planes. So, after you find the cross product, which gives you your n hat, or your normal vector, then you just plug into the scalar equation above. And if they ask for a linear form, just distribute and combine like terms. So if you're given two vectors, let's say you're given 3 points that lie in the plane. There's only really one additional step. If you're given 3 points in the plane, you have to form those two vectors to do the cross product. So let's say you have A, B, and C that lie in the plane. Form vector AB, cross it with vector AC, doesn't matter which ones you choose. Then that'll give you the n hat, and then pick any three of them to plug into your scalar. Steps 2 and 3 are the same for both Alright? So I hope that has clarified any confusion on how you should go about solving these. Check out the example video if you still have some doubts. Thank you and have a nice day.